Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video I'm going to share with you how you can earn over $4,440 something with less than 3 minutes of work, and you might be thinking that sounds like utter nonsense. Well, as always, I'm going to share with you that proof that this method works. I'll show you people who are actively doing this, and I'll also show you how you can get all of this set up yourself, because it's not hard, it genuinely isn't difficult. You don't need any money, you don't need any experience or skills, and once you set one of these things up, what I'm going to be sharing with you, you can literally create as many of these essentially passive incomes as you like. Now, if you like simple and easy ways to make money online, feel free to go over to my blog and check it out. I share lots of articles on here about making money online, working from home. And as you can see, I've been doing this since 2017. I've also got a members area, I've got free courses and lots more. But let's jump into today's video and I'll share with you this method because it's pretty awesome. So if I come over here, I am on Etsy. Now, if you don't know what Etsy is, this is a platform whereby you can upload these here. See this? Digital printables. Now, the cool thing about this method is you create this one time, you upload it onto Etsy, and then it becomes a passive income because you've done the work, you upload it onto here, and then if I was to buy this now, you can see it says 20 printable edition worksheets. I can download that, print it off, and start, using this with my son for doing homeschooling or, maths homework and other bits. Now, here's the crazy thing. See this here, look. They're charging £1.37 for this, so I'm in the UK, it's UK pricing. But look at this, 2,375 sales from this one worksheet alone. Now, if I go into here, this is the worksheet. Do you think you could create this yourself? Yeah, you could do. I mean, it would take a little bit of time, but it's not hard in any way, shape or form. Now, if we take this over into the calculator, so you can see £1.37 and they've done 2,375 sales, that equates to, in the UK, £3,253. But if I convert this into dollars, because I know many of you watching this use dollars, you can see pound sterling to dollars. That one printable alone has earned over $4,449 from the work this owner over here has done one time. It's insane, isn't it? So let me ask you this question. If you could create one of these and put it over onto Etsy and be bringing in a passive income, would you just create one and leave it at that? No, you wouldn't do, would you? Because look, it's a digital download. Do the work once and a passive income. If we come over to the actual shop, so you can see here, what does that say? Teach at Daycare. They've had on their shop 36,000 sales. And if we scroll down here, you can see they've currently got 636 listings for everything to do with, math, subtraction, etc. But I mean, just look at them. These are very basic and very simple to do. So this is their shop. And you can see here we've got addition, we've got subtraction. And look, they're not charging a lot of money for these, but they don't have to, do they? I mean, look. Where's it gone? 36,000 sales from creating these, and this is just one example with you. I mean, that is that shop there. I mean, let's have a look at this one here. Look, 20. So let's go ahead and have a look at, in fact, let me see if we can find something a bit different. So we've got that one there. Let's go down and have a look at some other ones again, which is simple. What's this? That's personalized. I'm going to come down. In fact, tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to go back up here. There was a seller who I found earlier, again, who's making an absolute fortune with these here. So let me just go up here and we're going to type it in. Let's just type in math worksheets. And look at this. Math worksheets. Currently, there's 74,000 people every single month searching for that. 74,000 people are searching for these online purely because, they don't want to have to do the work themselves, so they can come on a platform like Etsy, order one of these, and then they just print them off. So if we're going to this one here, this printable shop, look here. This is 100 printable practice worksheets. And if we go over onto the actual shop again, you can see down here, this person, they've got 36 products over on Etsy. And look, they're not hard at all. Again, look, click on here. And we'll go in this, and this is the worksheet. Pretty simple and very straightforward to do, and yet again it's bringing in a passive income, because I keep saying this just so that people understand this. You do the work once. This is a passive income because you've done the hard work up front and now it's up on the platform making you money. It's awesome. It genuinely is an awesome way of earning online. So let me scroll back up to the top here. So as we can see, for math worksheets, there's a huge demand. There's 74,000 people looking for this every single month. If you wanted to break this down a bit further, look, you can see math worksheet for kids is 68. Math worksheet printables is 110. And again, you can just play around with this. So let's just say games, math worksheet games, or let's just go with, say, bundles or bundle as an example. And again, all I'm doing here is, look, seeing all of these people who are uploading these. Look, £9.26, and they're selling it here. And again, we've got all of these. So how would you do this? What would be the method? Well, the slow version, and the one that would take time, would be you'd come over to this website over here called Canva. This is absolutely free. And inside of here, this would be your template. And inside of here, you would create a maths worksheet like these ones here. So you'd give it a border, you'd give it a title. So I'll show you briefly. So you come over here, you've got a text, you've got a headline, and we just say, I don't know, we'd say addition. So we'd do that there, we'd take that, we'd put that up to the top, and then we'd just copy, well, not exactly copy, but, use these as a guide, and then start, creating it inside of here. So you would add some text on here, like so. You just pick any of these, so we'd click on subheading, and then we'd say, I don't know, 48 plus 12 equals. And then we'd grab that, and we'd drag that over there, and then we'd click on there, and we'd click on here, we'd click on copy, and then we'd move this down to here. And then all I'm doing here is I'm just looking at what people are doing to, try and get an idea of this. And you'd go through and you'd create this yourself. And then once this is done, you'd come up here, you'd download this, and then you'd move on to the next one. Now, the problem with this method is it's time consuming. It will take, time to create these yourself and come up with, different ideas. Instead, because I'm always about, what works quickest and easiest, I use a piece of software. And it is this one over here. It is called Kids Math Printables. Now inside of here, let me show you this. So let me go to Printables, and I'm going to create one. Okay, so let me scroll down. So you can see here, I've got some different borders inside of this piece of software here. So let's just pick one. Let's go with this one here, dotted ribbon. So we'll click on use this border. And then, now what do I want? Do I want addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division? So we'll just go with the first one, addition. I can use numbers 10 to 99, etc, etc. So I'll just leave it on that one. How many pages do I want? So you see over on Etsy, like this one here, this is a 20 printable page. So if I come over here, if I come back over into the software over here, how many pages do I want? Well, in this example, let's just say I want 30. Or you can take this up to 100, by the way. But let's just take it up to 30. I can choose the font, so I'll go with Open Sans. Which layout? Do I want horizontal or vertical? I'll go with vertical. Include the answers, yes, and you can add colours and branding. But watch this, right? So I'm going to click to continue. I'm not doing anything, and it is done. Insane. So look at that. There now is my addition worksheet. That's 38 pages. How long did that take me? Less than a minute. And if I scroll down to the bottom, we have the answers. And here we go. Here's all the answers. So guess what I could do now? I could take this here and upload it onto Etsy and sell this, because this is a printable. So I just upload it onto Etsy, put a price on there, and then guess what? That is that listing done. Simple and easy. But then what? Look, I could come over here and I could then go, I'll use these numbers, or these numbers. Or if I go to this one and I want to change the layout, so I say horizontal, include answers yes or no, how many pages? So let's just say I want 10 pages this time. I click to continue, and again, it takes 10 seconds, and there we go, look, done. And you can see here, this was the first one in these columns here, laid out like this, and this one is laid out vertical. Really simple, really easy to use. So this piece of software here, not only will it save you time and effort, it allows you to create, if you have a couple of hours a day, you could create realistically about 50 listings very simply, very quickly, and then you could take it over to Etsy, have a look what other people are, selling their items for, have a look at, different things they're doing on here, and you can put these listings up on Etsy because they look good, They're very easy, and the fact that they also, include the answers as well, that's another bonus, because some of those over on Etsy, they don't include the answers. So we have the answers here as well. Now, this piece of software, I'll drop a link to this below. It will take you over to my blog. There's an article on there where I've done a walkthrough video showing you, everything about this, what's included inside of the software. But I like it, I use it, and I recommend it. You can also upload your own borders. There's a help page in here. It shows you, instructions how to use it. But basically, you just do what I've just shared with you. You come into printables, and then we scroll down, and there's system borders, which are already done inside of the system, or you can just, choose, you can upload your own if you want, but just go through, pick any one you like. So look at this one here, smiley faces. We'll use this border here. We'll go in here. This time let's go with division, how many numbers, how many pages. So let's just say we want 10 pages. Select a font. Let's go with that one. And then, do we want horizontal or vertical? Include answers, yes. Change the colour if you want to. You can change this colour to any colour, and then we just click to continue, and it's done. Again, it's done for us. And look, we've now got funny, silly smiles and faces, and we have got our worksheets here done. So this is one of the reasons why I am actively going down this route of creating content and printables like this and putting them over onto Etsy. This is just one method of making money with these online printables. I shared one a couple of days ago, I think it was last week. I'll drop a link to that below for you, whereby that was looking at baby showers and other things, because let me go and show you that really quickly. So if we're going to baby shower printables, we'll go over here like so. And you can see, again, there's a huge demand for this market. 7,000 people a month are searching for baby shower printables. The software I shared with you last week, which was called Crispy Prints, it's very similar to this maths one. It can create these printables it takes a little bit longer. It's about a couple of minutes because there's a lot more included in that. But that is another option whereby you can create these printables using softwares and earn a passive income online. So look, if you want to go ahead and check out this kids printables, this maths printables, as I've mentioned, I'll drop a link to this below. It'll take you over to my blog. I'll walk you through this, how much it is, everything that's included. But I'm pretty impressed with it, and I think, as you've seen here, it's awesome. So look, that's today's video. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.